If you're like me, you love original Doom, and you want to install on anything you can. Well, today I'm going to show you how to install Doom onto a Google Android phone. Currently, if you search the marketplace, Doom is not available, but if you do a simple Google search for Doom on Android, the first site you'll get is a Google code page that has a package for Android, the Android operating system. This is the page that you'll get with a description of it, and over here to the right in the green you'll see that there's a package called doomforandroid.apk. So I'll click on that and it will download that package. Should only take a few seconds here. And once that package is done downloading, all you have to do is click on it and it'll open up in the package manager. And it's saying that I've already got it installed, but I'll say go ahead and override it. You'll get install, and now it's going to install the program for Doom. Now it asks me if I want to open it or not, and I'm going to open it to show it to you, but then I'm going to go back and there's actually more you have to do before you get it up and running, which I've already done. Now when you get to the main screen here, by default full screen's unchecked, so I definitely check that. And I also enabled sound. It says it may run slow, but it seems to run fine for me on the Motorola Click. I'll press play. Now you'll have to fool around with the keys on your keyboard to figure out which keys it's set up for. And then you'll probably have to modify it to get it to work with your keypad. So first off, let me start a game here so it's a little bit quieter. The back button by default brings you back out to the menu here, at least on this phone. If I go down to options, I can go in there and I'll go into setup, and there's key bindings, and in here you can reprogram the keypad so you can decide what keys, because by default little directional pad over here wasn't working. It was using ASD and W to move around, so I reset it to run those keys, and I set the space bar to open doors and stuff like that. But let's get back into the game and you'll see it runs pretty smooth. I mean, right there. Takes a little getting used to the small keyboard, but there you can see Doom running. So let me exit out of the game and I'll show you what else you have to do. Oops. Go back. And yes, I want to exit. Okay, so I showed you earlier how to install the actual application, but there's more to it than that, because you need to install the WAD files and the music files. Now here there's a WAD file for Free Doom, which is a completely free remake of Doom. You can download that there, as well as some soundtrack music there. But also there's this how-to button. If you click on that, it'll give you directions on how to install the Doom WADs to your SD card. And basically it's real simple. You hook your phone up to your computer and you copy the WAD files to a folder called Doom, all lowercase, in the root partition of your SD card. And then you make a subfolder in that, call it .sounds, and copy any of these music files that you want, so if you want music in the game. Once that's done, unhook from your computer and run the game. And I already showed you how to do that. I'll put a link to this website in the description of this video. And for all you Doom fans out there with an Android phone, have fun, and visit filmsbychris.com for more video tutorials like this.